Talk about the stack. Stack is a linear data structure which is used to operate the data, organize the data in a LIFO form. Means last in, first out. The last in last in and first out means that the table means the value. Suppose the what is the stack? Firstly, stack is the way to storing the data into memory. Like this is the memory. Suppose you keep it the first one, second one, third one, and fourth one, and fifth one. Five data you keep like this stack. And what you were doing, stack follow the last in, first out. The last data you have kept. If you want to insert, if you want to keep out the data, okay, then the last data will be removed first. This is the meaning of last in, first out. The data will be inserted last one, that will be come out the first time. When you try to take out the data from the stack, the last inserted data will come out at the first time. At the end data will be come out to the first when you try to take out the data. Okay, so this is the stack. Like a plate, we keep it like this: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, so on. When we try to take a plate on the stack, you have keep the stack one by one. So last one if you are keeping out, so that is called the last in, first out, LIFO. LIFO property this follows. And how we can create the data, means how we can create the insertion of stacks. We can create it like this way. We can create a stack. Okay, firstly stack in a generic inside what you will provide data type, what data type you want to create the stacks. Means suppose you are creating integer data type, so here you will insert the integer. Okay, and now this integer, later you have to create object can be anything. Like my stack, I given the object name, and object name equal new stack, and then generic, and then method and semicolon. That's it. Now what will you do? My object is what? My object is an object through we can insert the data into the stack. So my object dot, and there are some properties that follows to insert data, update data, all those things. The first one is what? To put the data. How we can put the data? There is one property called push data. The object and dot push, insert in a parenthesis inside. You can keep the any number like 1 2 3 4 or whatever number you want to insert inside, you can keep. And now so on, you can keep inside the stack so many numbers. And now it comes to how to take out the data, right? So taking out data, there is one property called pop, right? Pop pop means that if you want to pop out the data this from the stack, so the last in, first out, the last one number will pop out. Means the value will come, the last inserted value, when you try to keep out the data. So same way you have to follow here also. You have to write object name dot and pop, and then parenthesis close. This will give you the last data that you have inserted in your stack. Okay, this is the second one. If you want to see, okay, if you want to see the which data is uh which data which data is last one, you can see also. There is one property pick, p-e-e-c, pick. Okay, so pick method, we can access the last one which data are uh, last one data. And after that, what we can do, if we want to see, if we want to check the data are available into a stack or not, what we can do, we can here do this object dot isEmpty. IsEmpty is a method through we can check out if it is empty, then it will give the false, and if it is not, then it will give the true. And the last one is what? The size. the object dot size, if you are checking out this, then it will give the size, how many numbers, how many data you have kept into the stack, that will give you. I hope these are the properties you will get understood, how what is the stack, and how it's work, and how to create stack into memory, and how we can use it. Through for loop we can traverse it as we traverse the array. The simple way you have to follow it. I hope you will get understood that what is the stack. Last in first out properties follows, and it is a linear data structure. So see you again in next video. Till then, goodbye.